Although everyone was completely focusing on Google's latest Pixel 10 lineup throughout, made by Google 2025, but the tech giant also directed its focus towards upgrading its other flagship Pixel products, just like the Pixel Watch. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Google showcased the Pixel Watch 4 during the event, which is packed with an awe-inspiring range of features and unmatchable capabilities. Let's see what the hype's about. The redesigned Pixel Watch 4 has an actual 360 display, complemented by slimmer bezels to provide more screen space and 3000 nits of peak brightness, meaning twice compared to the Pixel Watch 3. Now you can easily see what's on it under direct sunlight. But what if it gets broken? Well, don't worry, because what sets the latest Pixel Watch apart from the previous Pixel Watches is that its display and battery are now replaceable and repairable. Another defining feature of the Pixel Watch 4 is that it's powered by the Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 chip, a new satellite SOS mode allowing LTE-enabled users to call for emergency services without cellular service. And that's not all. The health and fitness features have also been enhanced on the new Pixel Watch model. The watch will even have its own new AI health coach. Sounds cool. The Pixel Watch 4 will be available in different colors, like the 41mm models available in a silver case with a purple band or a muted gold case with a matching band. The 45mm model comes in a silverish blue case with a matching band. The Pixel Watch 4 is surely a catch, but how much will it cost? Coming in two sizes, including a 41mm model and a 45mm one, the Pixel Watch 4 starts at $349 and goes up to $399 for the 45mm trim. The addition of LTE connectivity can cost you an extra $100. That said, the prices of the LTE-enabled Pixel Watch 4 are $449 and $499 for 41mm and 45mm sizes. So what are you waiting for? Get your Pixel Watch 4 right now, as it can be pre-ordered on Amazon, Google, and Best Buy. What do you think about the product? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.